Greetings, road warriors. Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where legacy meets luxury on the open road. We're thrilled to present a 2017 Tiffin Phaeton 40AH with just 39,000 miles. This 41-foot all-electric Class A diesel pusher, built on a robust Freightliner chassis, showcases the coveted 40AH floor plan with 4 huge slide-outs, sleeping up to 4 in timeless comfort. Adorned in Tiffin's beautiful Maroon Coral full-body paint package, this RV is a crown jewel, powered by a legendary Cummins diesel engine. Join us for a regal tour to explore every exquisite detail of this masterpiece. Let's begin with the exterior, where the 2017 Tiffin Phaeton 40AH commands admiration with enduring elegance. The Maroon Coral graphics package drapes this coach in rich, sophisticated tones, ensuring it captivates at every destination. Stretching 41 feet, it's crafted on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis with air brakes and air ride suspension, delivering a smooth, confident ride. Powered by an 8.9-liter Cummins ISL diesel engine, it produces 380 horsepower and 1,150 foot-pounds of torque, paired with an Allison 3000 mAh 6-speed automatic transmission with electronic shifter for effortless performance. Updated mid-2021 Toyo tires all around ensure reliability and style, making this RV ready for legacy-defining journeys. The exterior is loaded with premium features to elevate your lifestyle. Basement pass-through storage compartments with a slide-out tray offer vast space for travel essentials, heirlooms, or adventure gear. An exterior entertainment center with a 32-inch TV, stereo, and speakers creates a refined setup for outdoor gatherings or quiet evenings under the stars. A power patio awning, power door awning, slide toppers, and window awning package craft a shaded, luxurious retreat at any campsite. Automatic hydraulic leveling jacks with touchpad controls ensure quick, stable setup, while rear and side view cameras with an in-dash monitor make navigation seamless. A 10,000-pound trailer hitch and Winegard in-motion satellite system add versatility and connectivity. Powering your travels is seamless with this all-electric RV's elite systems. An Onan 10.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator on a slide-out service tray delivers robust power for off-grid escapes. A 50-amp service with an extension cord, Magnum inverter charger, and battery disconnect ensures efficient energy management. 3 roof-mounted ACS with heat pumps and the AquaHot 450D hydronic heating system for hot water and furnace heat keep you comfortable year-round. Heated tile flooring throughout adds a touch of opulence, making this Phaeton a sanctuary for discerning travelers. Step inside, and the 40 amp-hour floor plan unfolds as a timeless sanctuary, perfect for seasoned couples or intimate escapes. 4 huge slide-outs create an expansive interior that sleeps up to 4, ideal for those seeking refined comfort. The layout features a king-size bed in the rear master bedroom and a large pull-out sleeper sofa in the front living room. The front living room is a regal retreat with a large pull-out sleeper sofa, recliner, 50-inch TV, electric fireplace with heat, table dinette with chairs, and a 32-inch TV above the front seats, perfect for quiet evenings or entertaining guests. The high-gloss cabinetry and heated tile floors create a warm, luxurious ambiance. The full kitchen is a culinary masterpiece designed for effortless meal preparation. It boasts a stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, an induction stovetop, a microwave convection oven, a dishwasher option, an extendable countertop, and a residential stainless steel sink with faucet for all your cooking needs. The nearby dinette ensures comfortable dining for intimate meals or planning adventures. The private bathroom is exceptional, featuring a toilet, double sink and vanity, and power vent fan, delivering a spa-like experience. A rear walk-in closet with stackable washer and dryer, safe, and tons of storage space adds unmatched convenience for full-time living. Let's spotlight what makes this RV a legacy icon. The Cummins ISL engine and Freightliner chassis deliver powerful, reliable performance, while the Onan generator and all-electric systems support off-grid adventures. Premium features like the AquaHot 450D heating, heated tile floors, and Maroon Coral paint package add elegance, while the washer/dryer and safe boost practicality. Picture yourself cruising in this 2017 Tiffin Phaeton 40AH, exploring historic routes, coastal byways, or tranquil campgrounds with your loved ones. Imagine preparing gourmet meals in the upscale kitchen, lounging by the electric fireplace, or sinking into the king-size bed after a day of adventure. This RV blends home-like luxury with the freedom of the open road, and its Maroon Coral exterior ensures you arrive in style. With only 39,000 miles, every journey will weave unforgettable memories. Let's dive deeper into why this Phaeton is a standout choice. Tiffin's legendary craftsmanship shines in the durable construction, heated tile floors, and thoughtful features like the dishwasher and power awnings. Safety features like the rear and side view cameras and air brakes inspire confidence, while the cockpit's intuitive design makes driving a pleasure. From the rear walk-in closet to the Winegard satellite system, this RV is built for luxury and convenience. Let's revisit the exterior's brilliance. The Maroon Coral paint package enhances curb appeal and protects the RV for years of travel. The basement storage with a slide-out tray makes organization effortless, while the exterior entertainment center adds refinement to any campsite. The power awnings and hydraulic leveling jacks elevate both style and functionality, making this RV a head-turner. Back inside, the living area's charm deserves another look. The pull-out sleeper sofa and recliner create a perfect spot for relaxing or entertaining guests. The 50-inch TV and electric fireplace add warmth and entertainment, while the heated tile floors enhance the luxurious feel. This layout balances practicality and comfort, making every trip a delight. Why choose this Phaeton? Its blend of luxury and versatility is unmatched, with features like the aqua-hot heating, dishwasher, and rear walk-in closet that make life on the road effortless. The 40AH floor plan offers ample space for four, while the Cummins engine ensures reliable power for any journey. Ready to make this masterpiece yours? This 2017 Tiffin Phaeton 40AH is a rare opportunity to own a feature-packed diesel pusher with timeless design. Reach out at 864-260-9276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to learn more or schedule a test drive. The Porters RV sales team is eager to launch your next legacy in style. Thank you for joining us for this luxurious walk-around of the 2017 Tiffin Phaeton 40AH. Discover more RV tours on our YouTube channel, Porters RV Sales. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. With its 4 slide-outs, king bed, and premium features, this RV is a must-see. Call us today at 864-260-9276 or visit portersrvsales.com to claim this 2017 Phaeton 40AH. This is Porters RV Sales, and we're thrilled to see you explore the road in elegance.